Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a castor oil pack. And I'm going to make a small pack. So I'm going to use a piece of plastic and a piece of flannelette, white flannelette. It could be a white flannelette sheet that you've just cut a piece from. This one is small. It's about 4 inches by maybe 8 inches long. And I'm just folding it into 4 layers and it'll go on the plastic. But before I do that, I'm going to take some tape and put a strip of tape on either side of the plastic like this. And I use medical tape. It's easier on the body, on the skin, and it sticks to the skin better than anything else. Now I'm going to put the cloth on top and take a couple of pieces of tape, and I'm just going to tape this down to the plastic so that it doesn't move around. Just like that. And then I'm going to put quite a bit of oil on it, like this. And then I'm going to let it sit for a while, probably maybe 15 minutes, until this oil soaks into the cloth, because the oil is very thick and it's going to take some time for it to soak in, because if you pick it up now, it's just going to run all over the place. So you want it to soak in, and we'll let it sit for 15 minutes. And then I'll come back. All right. The castor oil has soaked nicely into the cloth, and it's ready to use. Now this size is small enough that it could go on a hand, and you just tape it around and adhere it to your hand, and then pull a mitt over top of it to hold it in place. This size could also be put on a foot. If you have gout or you have arthritic pain in your foot, then just tape it around your foot like that. And also you could pull a sock over it to hold it in place. I have a little bit bigger one here. This is more the size that would go over your liver for detoxing the liver. So you would put it on the right side of your body under the rib cage. Tape it down and pull your clothes over top so that it holds it in place. I have one more size, and it's quite a bit bigger, and this size would go across the whole abdomen, and again you would just tape it to either side of your body, and you'd have the plastic over top to protect your clothes. And again, you could get a good night's sleep with that. While you're having a good soothing sleep, you could be detoxing your body, your abdomen, and making yourself healthy. One more thing about the packs, they are reusable, so you don't have to throw them out. You can use them 5 or 6 times, and I just roll it up and put it in a plastic bag and then shove it in the refrigerator, and it'll be ready to go the next time. The castor oil that I recommend is cold pressed, hexane free. Hexane is a chemical they put in the cheaper brands for processing, and it should be cold pressed. Also, look for a bottle that is dark brown in color and it's glass, as castor oil will leach out toxins out of the plastic bottle that you would not want in your body. So, thank you for watching, and I wish you good healing.